Hello there, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can actually check if your account has been hacked or pwned. Well, basically you all know that how is hacked, but wait a moment, how is pwned? Well, basically when a website's data has been breached or the database has been hacked, in that cases your account has been pwned. I don't know you're gonna believe me or not, but yeah, it is true that more than 9.6 billion, I said billion not million, more than 9.6 billion accounts have been pwned, and it's available online and can be accessed from anyone, anywhere in this whole world. So that's thing of worry. So if you want to see how to check that if you are included in 9.6 billion pwned accounts, so without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Hey, wait, before getting started, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this and get notified every time I upload a video. Well, put on the intro, man. Okay, so first of all you have to go to haveibeenpwned.com. You can also search for Pwned and you'll find that. Okay, the first link is haveibeenpwned and simply go there. Both are same, so I'm gonna close this thing, and now on this email address type your email address. So first of all I'm gonna put in my real address. Okay, let's search for this. Okay, it's a good news, no pwn is found. Well, that's fine because I have followed all the 3 steps here, and if you want a better security, you can follow these 3 steps. Well, let's check it out. If my old account has been pwned. Okay, so let's check it. Search. Oh no, it's pwned. It's found on one breach site and found no page. Okay, so we have to scroll down to see in which breach my account being published. Okay, so here you can see it's Canva. In May 2019, the graphic design tool website Canva suffered a data breach, and that impacted 137 million subscribers, and I was one of them. The exploits included email address, username, name, city, session, password, everything that was stored in my database. They might have also published my personal data. Okay, so now how to make this account secure? So all I have to do is just select the name and right click and search for Canva. And once you search for Canva, you have to go to Canva, log in, and then reset your password to be secured. If there is more websites you have pwned, then just go all of them website each and then change your password. After changing your password, make sure that you have enabled that 2-factor authorization password and have choose the strong passwords for each website. Don't mix them up. And also subscribe for notifications any breaches that you change your unique password. So how to subscribe for that? Just go all the way up and click on notify me. Once you click notify me, just put on your email address. I'm gonna put my email address. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the capture, and it's done. Notify me of pwned. So whenever I just click that, and you know what, every time my account has been pwned, I will made the from haveibeenpwned.com that your account has been pwned. Just change your password right now. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.